Pamilya ni Cheska Garcia Kramer at Patrick Garcia nagluluksa sa pagpanaw ng ina. Nagluluksa ang pamilya ni Cheska Garcia Kramer at Patrick Garcia sa pagpanaw ng kanilang butihing ina sa edad na 70 dahil umano sa heart attack. Padamdamin ang pag-alaala ni Cheska sa ina na aniya ay maraming sinakripisyo para sa pamilya. One cannot outlove or outgive a mother's generosity, selflessness, kindness, goodness, and care. I say this because no matter how hard I try, my mom always gave her all and her best for her children. I will miss my mom so much. Words cannot describe how wonderful she was. Those who truly knew her and experienced her love, kindness, and thoughtfulness would understand exactly what I am talking about. I will miss you so much, Mommy. I love you dearly. I am grateful for all the precious days I spent with you. You were there for all the important events in my life. And you were also there just to hang out, relax, and talk about anything and everything under the sun. I will miss those moments, Mommy. You even took the time to listen to my rants and offer me advice. You were never selfish with your time, always accompanying me to the bathroom, so our conversations wouldn't be interrupted. I will miss holding your hand or walking arm in arm with you. I will miss your lovely scent. You always smelled so good. I will miss your smiling face. I love you, Mommy. How could I ever forget such a wonderful mom? You sacrificed so much for us, always prioritizing our happiness over yours. You choose us over anything and anyone, never abandoning sheep and fiercely protecting your cubs. Everything I know and everything I am is because of you. I learned how to be a mom and a wife because you were my prime example, always excelling in everything you did. Oh, how I will miss this lovely human being. I never did anything without you knowing or being there. You were always watching over me, cheering me on, and standing by my side. What was important to me was important to you. Oh, Mommy. While I thought we would have more adventures together in this world, I now look forward to excitement of heaven, where one day we will reunite with all our loved ones. There, no goodbyes will be said, and no more tears will be shed. Forever in eternity, where happiness and joy will never be taken away. You can never outgive a parent who kept on giving. I know this because I have been blessed to experience it. I love you, Mommy. I love you, Mommy. I love you so much. I will always long for you. Gayun din, emotional din ang asawa ni Cheska ni si Doug Kramer, na nauna nang nagpahayag ng damdamin sa pagpanaw ng biyanan. When you look at Cheska Kramer, she's a complete reflection of her mom, our Momsy. Beautiful inside and out. I'm so thankful she guided and molded Cheska the way she is, because our kids take a lot from their mom. We'll miss you so much, Momsy. At Celeste V. Garcia. Our kwentuhan and travels around the world. Even though pilay ka na, game ka pa rin to walk and walk. I'll never forget when I had to look for you in Amsterdam because you got lost 4 miles away from us because you enjoyed shopping so much and seeing all the beautiful artwork there. You use maps and walk in circles because you click the icon of traveling as a vehicle. That Europe trip was a dream come true for you. We're so happy we brought you along to enjoy it with us. The best mom-in-law anyone could have. The OG, the coolest grandma, the funniest, and the one who never runs out of chica because she knows all the issues on FB. We love you so much, Mamsi. Please give the family time to grieve. Cheska will give her message soonest, when she can gather her strength. We're also heartbroken. The kids, family, and especially Cheska and her siblings. Keep us in your prayers. Samantala, nagpahayag din ng taos-pusong pagmamahal sa napayapang biyanan ang asawa ni Patrick na si Nika. Mamsi, where to begin? I don't know. So much to say, but I don't know where to start. I've always expressed to you how much I love you. So let's start there. Mamsi, I love you. Thank you for being the best mother-in-law one could have. Thank you that from the very start, you made me feel like your own. Thank you for cooking for me all my food cravings. Thank you for making me clothes and always handing me gifts whenever we would pick you up for random lunch dates. Thank you for always listening to me and for always finding a way to make a serious conversation end with laughter. Thank you for empowering and encouraging us. You always believe in us. Thank you for all the little, the big, and everything in between that you did for me and my family. Mamsi, I love you. Hindi ako nagkulang magsabi sa'yo. And I am glad I always told you this because I really do. You are so loved. Mamsi, I will miss you. In fact, I already do. I will love Pat and take care of him for the rest of my life, Mamsi. I just can't promise I can cook for him the way you do, okay? Again and again and again, I love you. Till we see each other again. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.